Aging is a natural phenomenon that everyone experiences in life. It is inevitable and irreversible. Aging comes in two different types. These are intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic aging is age-related changes, whereas extrinsic aging is caused due to environmental factors and unhealthy lifestyle. In both ways, the production of two vital proteins, collagen and elastin, in the skin slows down. The skin starts to show the different signs of aging, especially in extrinsic aging. The skin looks much older than the actual age, but there are a number of treatments that can reverse the signs of skin aging and makes the skin look 10 years younger than the present age. Number 1. Wash your face regularly. Excess dirt or even acne can make your skin appear less youthful, especially as you get older. Keeping your skin clean can keep dirt or acne from settling in wrinkles or fine lines and prevent breakouts. Number 2. Avoid over-cleansing. It's important to wash your face regularly, but you don't want to overdo it. Soaps and prolonged exposure to water can strip your skin of oils. It may also irritate your skin, causing it to look less glowing and youthful. Number 3. Put on moisturizer every day. Apply a moisturizer that boosts collagen and elastin production daily. Keeping your skin properly hydrated can help firm your skin, prevent wrinkles, and make you appear younger. Number 4. Add some watermelon to your diet. Watermelons are full of water. That means you're getting fewer calories and hydrating your body at the same time. By reducing the amount of weight you gain and boost your water intake, you'll already reduce the signs of aging. You'll also feel better for it all. The water will mean that your skin's elasticity is improved. There's more collagen production, so fewer dimples, marks, and tears within the skin layers. Those stretch marks and wrinkles are all a thing of the past. Number 5. Get more vitamin C with pomegranates. The vitamin C can help with making you look 10 years younger, too. The vitamin C helps to keep wrinkles and fine lines at bay. The antioxidants also help because they fight against the free radicals within the body. Free radicals cause damaged cells to repair abnormally. Sometimes the cells can clump together and hinder the production of collagen. This fruit also has ellagic acid, which is a natural chemical and nothing to be worried about. In fact, this type of acid helps to reduce inflammation in the skin that is often caused by UV damage. You can remove the redness and help promote the healing if there is another sun damage.